Hello, seekers of wisdom and truth. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're embarking on a journey through the timeless wisdom of Aristotle, a philosopher whose words continue to inspire and illuminate our paths. Get ready to explore 10 of his most profound quotes that hold relevance even in our modern world. Aristotle believed that true wisdom begins with self-awareness. As he wisely said, "Knowing yourself is the beginning of all wisdom." It's a reminder that introspection and understanding our innermost selves pave the way for meaningful growth. Aristotle's words on excellence echo through time. Excellence is never an accident. He reminds us that greatness is a product of deliberate intention, diligent effort, and intelligent choices, a message that resonates whether in academia, sports, or life's pursuits. The more you know, the more you realize you don't know. This quote emphasizes the endless potential of learning. In an age of information, Aristotle's insight encourages us to keep seeking knowledge and remain humble learners. Aristotle linked happiness to our choices, stating, "Happiness depends upon ourselves." His words inspire us to take charge of our emotions and actions, steering our lives toward fulfillment and contentment. We are what we repeatedly do. Excellence, then, is not an act but a habit. These words highlight the transformative power of consistent effort. They remind us to cultivate habits that lead us closer to our aspirations. A friend to all is a friend to none. Aristotle's wisdom inspires us to value deep, meaningful connections over superficial relationships. Aristotle's wisdom on thoughtfulness resonates. It is the mark of an educated mind to be able to entertain a thought without accepting it. This advice encourages open-mindedness and discernment in a world filled with diverse perspectives. The whole is more than the sum of its parts. This quote underscores the synergy of collaboration, where individuals united can achieve far more than they can alone, an idea that resonates across cultures and time. A friend to all is a friend to none. Aristotle's insightful quote emphasizes the importance of quality over quantity in relationships. Wisdom is the reward of experience and should be shared. Aristotle's words inspire us to continually learn and share our wisdom with others. Moderation in all things. Aristotle's quote stresses the importance of balance in life, highlighting the virtue of moderation and self-restraint. And there we have it, Aristotle's timeless wisdom encapsulated in these 10 remarkable quotes. Remember, dear viewers, these insights have traversed centuries and continue to guide us. If you found these words as inspiring as we did, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Until next time, may Aristotle's wisdom be a guiding light on your journey of discovery. Let's keep seeking wisdom together, one quote at a time.